All right, everybody. You got the old Mongo man out here between Mongo's garage and Kenny's garage. It's been a busy day. We got the form set for Kenny's garage. Got some more work to do, but we've got generally we've got everything where it needs to be. We're gonna have to do some form straightening. When I was filling the form with stone, we got a little carried away there and pushed it here and there, but we can straighten it right up. That's not a problem. What we've got is a 30 by 40 building going in. And we're doing 6 inches of concrete, actually 5.5. It's a 2x6 that we're using to form it. Right now, I'm about 4 inches low throughout the pad, which is almost perfect. What we're going to do is we're going to get this hand worked up and then come in with a hand tamper, tamp everything down in there, get it all locked in. And then from there, we will put some 2B or 2A in it and get it all locked in there nice and tight. And then get the drains and stuff set, get all that where it needs to be, and then we'll figure it out from there what we want to do as far as pouring that pad. Let's take a look and see what we got done. So we did this all with a manual transit, which is par for the course for us. You can see there we cut a big hole in the form so that I can get the tractor in it and load it full of stone. Down here on this end we were pretty high. I would say on that far corner over there, I was probably up about a foot. But you can see now that we've got it all pretty much leveled out. This is all just machine work to this point. Haven't really done a whole lot of hand work. You can see looking down this form, that little dog leg in it down there that we're gonna have to straighten up with some stakes and some stuff there, because I got a little carried away with it whenever I was filling all that up, which is par for the course. This long one over here, same thing. As you can see, I'm gonna have to put some more fill up here on the outside of the form, get it where it needs to be. This one isn't terrible, but it does have a dog leg in it way up there at that end. So this will be KJ's shop. Him and Seth will get this put together, work out of it, and that's the plan. So yep, it's a 30 by 40. We're gonna do another steel building just like my garage over there. And for all the fill, I went ahead and just skim coated everything out here for the fill, so we're gonna have to get some more stone for that, but for right now it's good. It's keeping the mud away. This will all have to be bermed in once we get everything done, that way it doesn't wash away and doesn't screw up the concrete. So the plan is from here, like I said, we're gonna have to get a new rake. KJ, well, it's not his fault. That rake was probably left out in the rain and froze and everything else. It broke a couple times, so we got to get a couple hand rakes. Once we get those, we can get in here and straighten this up. Get him in there with the tamper, vibratory plate, get it all running nice. And then, like I said, we'll put the center drain in, and that'll just drain blind out on the ground there, which is really nice. Once that's done, we can come in with the 2B, crush and run. About, like I said, everything is just about 4 inches low through the center. Get that all worked up nice. Tamp it in, put some wire down, and then we'll get the concrete boys out here to get her laid. I'm pretty happy with it. I just spent, I don't know, about 2 hours on the tractor, running all that in there and then straightening up the driveway. So that's where we're at. That's what we got done here today. KJ's got a little bit of video on his phone there. Pappy John came over to help us. And right now we're going to go get cleaned up. I think we're going to dinner here this evening. We're going to find out. Got some other stuff going on that we need to figure out, but for the most part, that's kind of what we've got going on and where we're at. We do appreciate you guys watching these videos and being a part of Mongo's garage here as we grow into Kenny's and Seth's garage. So thanks a lot.
What'd you find? How much you want of this? Huh?
Huh?
How much you want of this?
Hey everybody, got the old Mongo Man sitting up here above Mongo's garage and Kenny's garage on the cut here that's trying to keep water away from our buildings, and I do think it works. Just come up here to get a bird's eye view of what we got done today, and I actually kind of like it. It looks nice and uniform and straight and square. We did do the diagonal, the Pythagorean theorem. Yeah, murdered that word. 30 by 40 should be 50 diagonally, and I got it at 50 1/4 one way and 50 1/2 the other. That's 50 foot 1/4 inch and 50 foot 1/2 inch. So it is really, really, really close to square, if not doggone near perfect, and it is 30 wide by 40 long. So what we got to do now, like we said, it needs to be finished up. I did a little bit of hand work there. That's what you saw me just doing. And then once the hand work's all done, I'll get KJ in there with the vibra plate, get it all run in, and we'll put some crush and run in it, get that shoved down on in there, and lay some vapor barrier down. We are going to use vapor barrier in this one just simply because in my garage, whenever the change of weather happens, my concrete will wick the moisture out of the ground and put it into the garage. So I don't want that to happen to Kenny's here. But this is kind of what it looks like from bird's eye view. So you can see the old parts truck down there. we'll have a nice little area behind the garage where we can put some stuff. Hopefully we can fit a trailer back there, maybe both trailers. That's the plan anyway. Then he'll have his building there. Essentially right there where the opening in the form is going to be a garage door. There'll be 3 garage doors across the front there and a man door over by the B. And then just so you can see the relative distance there from my shop. And then the house. Give you a real nice view of everything there. Yeah, that's what we got done here this evening. Well, today actually, not even so much this evening. There's about 65 feet between the 2 buildings. So we'll still have plenty of room to be able to get stuff into my building. Like you can see, the boat is backed in. That's Phoenix. Phoenix's parts boat is out here on the junk trailer. So we'll have plenty of room to get alongside over there between the building and the hillside. We are going to get a light put on that pole, I think. A dusk to dawn light. So yeah, I kind of like it. I think it's good placement. I like where it's at. It'll be a nice nice addition here. All right, so that's it. I don't know if you can see me over there, but we are going to wrap up here. I'm going to get the buggy back down to the shop and then get this video wrapped up so you guys will have something to watch tomorrow. And I want to wish a happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I know there's probably a lot of you guys that are fathers that watch the channel. Thank you for being good fathers and being there for your children. I don't know that Kenny and Julianne would say that I'm a good father. Nah, they would. They're good kids, and Cheryl has she's been probably the best influence on them possible. I'm just here to back her up and, you know, do what dads do. All right, so that is it. Thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you all soon. Happy Father's Day. Take care.